Now if I need to print all the numbers, I need to print all the numbers present inside that array. So instead of using a for loop, normal for loop, we can use a for each loop. So for this syntax is quite easy. So integer, you can name it anything. For example, we'll give it num, and here you need to make this is2 symbol, and then you need to directly write the array name. Now here I'm just going to say system.out.print, and here we are going to say that num, and plus we need to have a space. Okay, num plus space. And here I'm going to directly, you can just say system.out.print the new line after printing all these numbers on same line. Okay, now if I'm going to execute this, you are able to see here inside console all the numbers are been printed. So what for each loop does, for each loop is going to print all the numbers from that array. If you are going to use this normal for loop, you are able to print up to where you need to print. If I just wanted to print up to this R and C, I just wanted to print R and C. So I will say, wait a minute, I will just remove this numbers of I, and if I just, so this is 0 index and this is 1 index, so I can just write here up to 2 and I can just execute this. If I'm going to execute, you are able to see that R and C just are printed. If I just wanted to print 3, 4, 5, I'm able to print this. But what is going to happen when you are going to use a for each loop, you are able to print all the numbers present inside that particular array. So we'll try to do it for character array as well. So we will write a for loop and which data type it is holding. Then we will just give any name random. So we will just give here any name, characters. Okay, character, okay, is 2. So this is a variable, and we will give the name of the original array, and after that we are going to print all the numbers from character array and plus this. Okay, system.out.println, and we are going to print. Now I'm just going to execute this code. You are able to see that. So you are able to see all the characters are been printed on the console.